Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can save your interest in your Fiverr account. Maybe you want to add your interest on your Fiverr so that it will be easy for you to look for the services that you want. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can add your interest on your Fiverr account. Check the video description and we'll try to leave the written instructions. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you will see the icons below. The home button icon, email icon, search icon, list icon, and your profile icon. So to add your interest on Fiverr, simply tap on this profile icon. And then in here, under My Fiverr, you will see this My Interest. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you'll see choose the services that best suits what you are interested in. You can only select at least one. We have here the category for create social media content, develop a brand identity, edit photos and images, and many more. For example, you are only interested in edit photos and images. Simply tap on it. You can also select many more, but if you are just interested in one, simply tap on the Save button. And there you go. You just add your interest in your Fiverr account. There you go. If you want to know how to add your interest on your Fiverr account, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add your interest on your Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.